Deus Japan's 100th anniversary Moto Guzzi B50. This 1980 Moto Guzzi B50 cafe racer was built as a tribute to the storied Marquis 100th anniversary and is positively dripping with style. Not only did Deus Japan manage to get their hands on a B50, but it was in good condition too. So there was no need to rebuild the engine. Tomoyuki simply added a pair of Keihin FCR 36 carbs, then fabricated new chromed steel exhaust headers with Jeep-style mufflers from Danmoto. The Guzzi still has its original 18 inches wheels and Brembo brakes too, but now rolls on classic Firestone Champion Deluxe tires. Tomoyuki tweaked the stance by lowering the original front fork by 40 mm and by adding aftermarket rear shocks that are 40 mm longer than stock. The biggest changes are up top, with the Moto Guzzi sleek new cafe racer style bodywork. In an inspired move, Tomoyuki borrowed the fuel tank from a Yamaha SRB 250, a small, modern classic that Yamaha manufactured in 1990. Then he tweaked the daylight out of it to make it fit the B50's frame and his vision for the build. Deus wrapped the B50's frame and parts of its bodywork in a luscious teal hue, leaving in a polished alloy bit to show off Tomoyuki's handiwork. It's slightly reminiscent of Moto Guzzi one green and silver anniversary scheme, only much prettier. A subtle gold pinstripe and a sprinkling of brass hardware finish things off. Thanks for watching.